Hello lovely souls and welcome to my channel the Hierophant 1111. So today guys we are going to be doing a reading on guardian angels. So if you don't know who is your guardian angel, this reading is going to help you. So we have 3 piles over here guys, and every person has 2 guardian angels. Okay, so I've taken 2 angel cards for every person, and let's check out who is the guardian angel and what messages they have for you in today's reading. So you guys take your time, think about your guardian angels, pray to them so that they tell you who they are, so that they reveal to you and they give you a message. And then guys, pick a pile when you're called to. You can pick only one pile in this reading. And also guys, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel the Hierophant 1111. Guys, I would also like to tell y'all that I'm going to be starting from here. So the first bell is going to be the silver bell. Okay, the second one is going to be the pink bell, and the third one is going to be the beautiful gold bell. Okay guys, so you all take your time, and till then guys, I'm going to be starting with the silver bell. Okay, so you guys who chose the beautiful silver bell, let's see who are your guardian angels. So I get 2 angels over here, 2 beautiful angels. The first one is Archangel Sandalphon, the angel of messages through music, the angel of beauty. Okay guys, so beauty in music. So what I see over here for y'all is the message from Archangel Sandalphon is I'm aligned with the 4 elements and 4 directions. So Archangel Sandalphon wants to tell you that you need to align yourself, okay, with all the 4 elements in you. Okay, and you have to also I am getting another message from them is I receive spiritual insight to easily resolve problems. So if you connect to yourself, if you connect to your angel, they will help you to receive the solutions to your problems. Okay, so this is what I'm getting for you. And also if you want an affirmation from Archangel Sandalphon, would be positive energies always keep me safe. Okay, positive energies always keep me safe. So guys, if you want needed this is the one for you. And your second guardian angel is Archangel Raziel, and Archangel Raziel wants to tell you that I am extremely intuitive. So this is your affirmation by Archangel Raziel. I'm extremely intuitive. Okay, so what message they want to give you is that you are getting messages from the divine all the time. You're getting divine guidance, you're getting messages from your angels all the time, and all the knowledge is available to you if you clear your mind. Okay, so that is the message of Archangel Raziel. If you keep your mind clear, they are always guiding you, they are always with you, and you will get messages from them, and you are constantly receiving messages from them. Okay, and you have to be grateful for this guidance. Okay, and I'm extremely intuitive is your affirmation. If you have chosen the silver, there are 2 angels for you, and that is Archangel Sandalphon and Archangel Raziel. Okay, let's move on and let's see if you have chosen the beautiful pink bell, who are your angels. Okay, I see Archangel Ariel, the angel of money, the angel of guiding animals. Okay, beautiful angel in beautiful bright pink. This is her beautiful color, by the way. So she's come to you, and also what she wants to tell your affirmation for you is I'm abundant and safe. Okay, so what affirmation she has given you? Obviously she's the angel of abundance, or I am abundant and I am safe. What she wants you to know and what she's guiding you is you have to be strong and healthy. Okay guys, you have to take care of your health, and again vital life force flows through me vibrantly. So this is also a message from her that you have to be self-motivated, you have to be productive, you have to work for your health, you have to make sure that you are positive all the time and you are safe. Okay, this is the second one is from Archangel Zachiel, and this one is your affirmation over here is I am love. Okay, so this is the affirmation from your guardian angel, second guardian angel, and they want to tell you that healing energy flows through you. So always be compassionate and kind. Okay, and also they are present with you, and if you call them, they will help you to heal with others, they will help you to align with others, and also they will help you to have inner peace and kindness towards others. Okay, so somewhere you are also being guided to that your life purpose is to heal and be peaceful and be kind to others. Okay, now if you have chosen this beautiful golden bell, let's see who is your beautiful angel. Okay, so I see two angels over here, Archangel Samuel, the beautiful angel of unconditional love. Okay, and what message he has for you? I allow love. So over here, this is the angel who is telling you that you need to allow love into your life. Okay, I emanate harmony and love. So this unconditional, this beautiful love comes through you. Okay, and you also, not only do you give love to others, you also allow others to love you. Okay, and the second message is from Archangel Uriel, and this is your second guardian angel over here, and she's the beautiful angel of the seventh chakra of the crown chakra, and let's see what she has to say to you. She is beautiful purple in color and very bright purple. You could say this is the beautiful bright purple, and let's see what she has to say to you. Her affirmation is, I'm energized and healthy and strong. Okay, and what guidance does she have to you is to be grateful. Okay, to be grateful for life, to be grateful for abundance, to be grateful, to be connected to the divine. Okay, so if you have chosen this beautiful golden pile, you are really connected to the divine, and she is the angel who ensures that connection and downloads from the divine. So also this is the crown chakra color, that's what I told you. So her message for you is you have to be grateful that for everything that the divine has given to you, and also you have to be motivated, and you have to be energized and healthy and strong. So I hope guys you liked this reading. If you did, do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, the Hierophant 1111, and also guys don't forget to press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video from me in the future. See you guys tomorrow. Till then, bye bye.